Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tika Yulia Damayanti with student ID number 2003303. In this occasion, I will review the material for 7 meetings. In the first meeting, the material in the first meeting is introduced about English lesson. In the first meeting, we are discussed about the lesson plans, the assignment, and the media that we will use. And in the last for first meeting, we are do a pretest in Edmodo. Jadi intinya pada pertemuan pertama ini kita membahas mengenai rencana pembelajaran, mengenai tugas-tugas ke depannya, mengenai media yang akan kita gunakan. Example, in the first meeting, the media we are use is Edmodo for accumulate assignment and Zoom for meetings English lesson. Okay, next about material in the second meetings is part of speech. Jadi materi kedua di pertemuan materi kedua di minggu kedua itu adalah tentang part of speech. Each part of speech explain not what the word is but how the word is used. Jadi part of speech itu bukan tentang menjelaskan dari kata-kata itu, tetapi bagaimana si kata itu tuh digunakan. Dalam part of speech itu ada 8 macam, atau bisa kita sebut dengan the 8 part of speech. Di antaranya ada yang pertama verb, or in Indonesia is kata kerja. Verb is what we do. Example, run, eat, and etc. Jadi intinya verb itu apa yang kita lakukan. Contohnya run itu berlari kan, eat itu makan, sleep itu tidur, yang kayak gitu. Pokoknya apa yang menjadi aktivitas kita, apa yang kita kerjakan, itu termasuk ke dalam verb atau kata kerja. Itu ada noun, or in Indonesia is kata benda. Noun is a person, place, or things. Example, Malaysia, Indonesia, car, book, and etc. Jadi intinya pada noun or kata benda ini itu berupa tempat atau benda. Contohnya Malaysia, mobil, buku gitu. Yang ketiga atau third, pronoun, or in Indonesia is kata ganti. Pronoun can replace the noun or another pronoun. Example, you, she, he, we, our, myself. Itu contoh-contoh dari pronoun. For adjectives, or in Indonesia is kata sifat. An adjective modifies a noun or pronoun by describing, identifying, or qualifying words. Example, cute, beautiful, brave, blue. Jadi intinya adjektif itu berupa kata sifat yang menggambarkan sebuah benda atau orang. Misalnya kayak cute, orang itu lucu, atau dia lucu, she is cute, she is beautiful gitu. 5 ada adverb, or in Indonesia is kata keterangan. An adverb can modify a verb, an adjective, and etc. Example, slowly, quickly. 6 prepositions, or in Indonesia is preposisi. Preposition links noun, pronoun, and phrase to other words in a sentence. Example, beside, on, over, and the 7 is conjunction, or in Indonesian is konjungsi. We can use conjunction to link word, phrase, and clause. Example, and jadi intinya itu konjungsi itu bisa kita gunakan untuk menghubungkan sebuah kata, frasa, atau klausa. Contohnya adalah kata dan. Selanjutnya itu adalah and the last, interjection. Interjection is a word added to a sentence to convey emotion. Example, oh, hey, Okay, next the material in the third meeting is to be. To be are, am, is, was, were. To be lampaunya itu adalah was. Jadi kalau to be-nya presentnya menggunakan to be maka pastnya menggunakan was. Jadi itu only for subject I. Example, I'm brave. I was studying English. Jadi I am gitu bisa disingkat jadi I kutip 1 M, atau bisa juga dijabarkan secara jelas I am gitu. Terus second is ada is, presentnya is, dan lampau atau pastnya was, dimana to be ini for subject she, he, it, or name. Example, she is beautiful, she was studying math. Jadi intinya to be is itu lampaunya adalah was dan digunakan untuk subjek she, he, it, atau nama gitu. And the last ada to be are, pastnya menggunakan to be were. Are itu for subject you, we, and they. Example, we are honest, we were at campus. Okay, next material in the fourth meeting is descriptive text. Descriptive text itu dibagi menjadi dua, ada physical appearance, dibagi menjadi dua juga, ada face yaitu skin tone or hair look. Terus yang kedua ada mentally appearance, ada adjective sama action verb. Next, context dari descriptive itu ada personal identification, activities, general physically and personality appearance, typical personality or performance, likes and dislikes, and reason. Okay, next the material in the fifth meeting is do or does. Do auxiliary verb for subject I, you, they, and we. Example, do you like swimming? Yes, I do. Kalau untuk does auxiliary verb for subject he, she, and it. Example, does he dance K-pop? Yes, he does. Okay, next the material in the fifth meeting is sharing ideas. In the sixth meeting, we watch a video and then we confide our opinion about the video. Example, in my opinion about the video is the parents should be able to better position themselves, be able to do something, and etc. And the 7 meetings material about presentation. Presentation group A about Jerome Pauline Sijabat. Presentation about group B, R.A. Kartini. Presentation group C about Maudia Yunda. Presentation group D about Arif Muhammad. Presentation about group E, Najwa Shihab. And presentation about group F is Khairul Tanjung. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you. Have a great day.